Hi, Sonia here, and I'm coming to you from my lab, and I am going to make a personalized massage oil. So one of the things that I have done and that I'd like to do more eventually is personalized skincare. And I'd really actually like to work one-on-one with people as a skin strategist. So the idea is that I would be the one that provides them with their regular skincare, cleansers, toners, moisturizers, but it would be personalized to their skin type, what they have going on, any changes going on in life, and it would be designed to help transform them or guide them in their best possible transformation to move through life's stuff. But for now, I've actually done some personalized stuff. Kind of hard though because it requires a lot more energy. So it is something that will be at some point will be a lot more expensive because it'll require more like one-on-one time and really getting to know people and a little bit more training. But for now, I have worked with this massage therapist who has some stuff, some scents, and she had some products that she really liked. And so I did the research and I created something similar using my own herbal oils, a similar combination of essential oils, so my own calendula oil. So I'm making a massage oil for this lady. And the cool thing about this is when you do something like this, you can actually, like I'm going to make her a 4-ounce bottle, which is about 120 grams. So I can actually do the essential oils right into the bottle. And then I have my coconut oil already on, and I've already formulated the product. So I'm going to weigh out my oils right now. So I have calendula oil. And I'm going to weigh that baby out. Okay. Alright, now calendula is amazing. The more that I use it in things and the more I have people that are having wonderful experiences with my products that have calendula oil in it, and the more I learn research-wise, it's supposed to have one of the highest amounts of anti-inflammatories of any oil. And of course, when you think anti-inflammatory, there's different sides of that, right? So there's stuff that can be anti-inflammatory internally. There's the externally anti-inflammatory. There's muscular. There's the skin. So I haven't really researched as far as that statistic goes. I haven't researched that further to follow up and make sure that's correct. But I do know that in a lot of my folks that have inflammatory conditions on their skin, externally, this is amazing. Although I think it's also supposed to have muscular benefits as well. So, and then I have some apricot oil, which, you know, when you are making a massage oil, both almond oil and apricot oil are awesome as far as your ability to, when you use them, they create just the right amount of friction, right? So I know there's a word for it, of like that process of an oil's ability or an ingredient's ability to actually create like a little bit of a give or an aspect of so when you rub it on your skin, it actually gives like a little bit of a pull or a tug, if you will. Then also gives you glide with also the ability to kind of manipulate the muscles. So I probably just totally killed that description, but that's okay. So just a few more little bits here of the apricot oil. And I use the cap like this because I want to make sure that I'm actually getting, I'm not going over. I want to keep my quantities, proportions as, accurate as possible, because that way the person who I'm providing the oil to will have a more consistent experience. They know what to expect. And so that's the benefit of writing down the formulation. But this is all taking me quite a bit of time here. So I see at least one person is on. Hi, Ann Valera. How are you? I have your box ready. I'm actually going to be shipping that out here in the next hour. As soon as I'm done here, I am taking that to the post office. So I'm excited about that. You are trying some amazing things. And I will go live soon demonstrating the whole facial process since you got the whole line. In that way, because these products, because they're handcrafted and natural, they are, they have a unique way to be used. Hey girl, they have a unique way to be used that that we aren't always accustomed to. So, okay, 1.2. All right. In fact, I can probably just try to describe a little bit of it here. We'll see. This is only 1.2 grams, so I got to be kind of careful. So with the beginning step, the begin cleanser, you actually want to shake. So they're bi-phase products, right? In the basic kit that you got, the cleanser and the day lotion, which is the spritzer lotion, those actually are bi-phase products, which means it's half oils, half waters, hydrosols. And so what you're going to want to do is you want to make sure and shake those well to create that emulsification process. All lotions basically use an emulsifier, so they're emulsified before you get them. That's why they're kind of creamy, but they're waters and oils. And so with these bi-phase products, you can actually just shake them. And so with the cleanser, you want to go probably 10 times or so, and then spritz it on a cotton round, and then massage around your face. And then the toner, you shake a little bit because the essential oils are on top of the waters, the hydrosols. So shake it a little, do a cotton ball, and then take off any last bit of cleanser, and you're toning your face. And then with the day lotion, you want to actually, the first time you use it, you want to shake it 20 to 30 times. Because there's a lot of really wonderfully powerful oils in there that are going to have a lot of active compounds and ingredients. So shake it really well. And with that particular one, the Peace is the calming one. You don't need a whole lot of it. Just start with like one spritz at first, and it should come out kind of creamy, and then massage that into your face. And then the serum and the cream, you can use those at night. So still cleanse and tone, and then use the serum and cream at night, where you use the day lotion in the morning. Yeah, okay. And you only need a very, very little bit, too, of the cream or the serum, so they should last you a while. Okay, so got that out of the way. Since you were on, I might as well take this opportunity to do that for you. Okay, so now I'm going to set that right there. I don't really, oh no, I am, because I am going to weigh this. So there are some tricks with essential oils when you do something by weight. The trick is to calculate your gram times, I don't need grapefruit, times 20 drops. But the thing is that in the long run, that's not consistent because some of your oils are thicker than others. So you're really not getting an accurate measurement. So I'm trying to little by slowly move towards weighing these out. And in this particular blend, I've already provided to her weighed out previously. 0.6. And so she actually liked what it smelled like. So I know that she's okay with the version of this weighed out. So that's cool. Sometimes it smells different or stronger, just because different oils weigh different things. And so when you switch gears to how you add them in, you're changing the scent. And sometimes it's a better change. And this might take a while, actually. So I'm probably going to come off the live here. Oh, good. I will finish with the sandalwood. And this essential oil blend, Anna Valera. Sorry about that. This particular blend is very similar to the one that you have in your face lotion, actually, with just a couple changes. I like the scent so much when I made this massage oil, and I knew what sort of oils were in here with the chamomile and the calendula, so I knew that this would be a great calming blend and a dry skin blend. So I kept this essential oil combination. Okay, and as you can see, this is kind of a time-consuming process, which is why when I personalize stuff, that does kind of create a little bit more expense, because for each person it's a different product, whereas a lot of times with my standard range I can go ahead and make a batch of like 10 or 15 at a time, and then when I do that I can maximize the amount of time I spend on labor so I can keep the overall price of the product down. Okay, and that should be very soon to get it where I need it. And these things, these drops are pretty spendy, so they're not coming out very fast. Okay. All right, well, I'm sure you're probably, if you're still on watching, you're probably getting a little bit bored. So I'm going to finish up here with the sandalwood, and then I'm going to take offline and finish the rest of this. Ooh, there we go. Shoot, okay. And it actually was moving so slow that my scale actually chimed off. Okay, so I got my sandalwood in there, and I'm gonna have to go ahead and get offline, I think, so I can get this done and get out the door and get your stuff shipped. Haha! I got a couple orders I'm shipping today. Excited about that. Oh, and if you're just joining, I do have a special this month. If you order from my website, you can actually, there's no shipping for the month of December. And it's www.justbotanicalsak.com. Okay, so I'm going to check on this coconut oil, turn the heat off, and finish doing this. And you all have a great day. Bye.